Now, there is lots and lots of great 7-seat vehicles out there, and this is one of them. This is a brand new model, Discovery R-Dynamic D300 SE. Now, the D300 means it's a 3-litre new engine with 300 brake horsepower. The R-Dynamic means the styling, that's the bumpers, the interior, the side skirts. So aesthetically, it looks absolutely fabulous. And then the SE means that it's got some other great upgraded features on the interior. Now, this is a 23 registration with literally delivery miles, so it's like buying a brand new car without having to wait for one for 12 months. The waiting isn't even the hardest part, it's the letdown when you get a call in 11 months' time to say you have to wait another 4 months. The best thing about Acklam Car Centre is we do supply the best cars to our very great customers who can just buy a car and collect it and start enjoying it the very same day. This car is ready to go today, so if you're watching this video and the car's for you or your partner and you want it, you pick the phone up, you get it reserved, you come and collect it and you just drive it away. Now let's talk about the car itself. The colour, Eiger Grey. It's a beautiful metallic grey, not too dark, not too light, just about right, and it works very, very well. Especially when you have the black styling pack, which starts right at the front with the designation lettering here, the front grille, the inserts in the bumper, and also the blades on the side. I've purposely left the sweeping indicators on because the new model car like this one has a dynamic animated indicators which look really cool. You've then got the detailing on the LED daytime running lights, and you've also got adaptive LED headlights. So the daytime running lights do look really cool, but the LED headlights is a safety thing. It really does make a difference. You've then got headlight washers, front rear parking sensors, and all the new model Discoveries come with a 360 camera system as standard. That's a camera in the front, the sides and the back. It's a big car, so you don't be scratching or scuffing the bumpers or the wheels, and that really does help you. If you look at the bumper corners here, being the R-Dynamic SE, I mentioned the blades. So again, it doesn't do anything other than aesthetically it looks really sporty, because if you're going to drive about with your family and friends, your business partners, you want to look cool. Nobody buys a car from me because they just want a car to go A to B. Nobody buys a car from me because they need a car. It's almost like they want it. That's what it is. That's what it's all about. Now, this one being the D300, the R-Dynamic SE, you've then got extras like this. One of the biggest extras you can get. This one's got the 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels, which is the best wheels you can get on the Discovery. And I can see why, because it looks absolutely amazing. It changes the complete look of this car. If you go and buy another Discovery with the smaller wheels on, which is not end of the world, but for me personally, I'd rather give the extra £1,000 or whatever it might be to get these wheels, because I think it finishes the car off very well. You've then got the black colour-coded arches, fixed side steps, mud flaps, front and rear, and then you have the contrasting black roof, which is an extra again. And if you're looking at this car from any angle, because you've got the Eiger Grey, the black starts around the windows, the A pillar, B pillar, but with that contrasting black roof, it just looks sporty. It doesn't drive any different, but it looks really good. You've also got the roof rails, and this one's got the twin panoramic roof with the first glass roof being tilt and sliding all the way back. If you look at the other SEs on the market, which might be £1,000 cheaper, which haven't got the 22-inch wheels, which haven't got this option, it's not worth buying. Irrelevant if you're going to use a sunroof, irrelevant if you like the wheels or not, there will be a deal when you come to sell that particular car, and having the bigger wheels and having the sliding roof will make all the difference. Comfort access, which is this here, that means that as long as the key is in your pocket or your bag, you can walk up to this car, it will unlock. As you walk away, you press that and it locks for you. It's nice and easy. It's the interior that I'm more interested in, because I love the new Discovery seats. You've got that lovely perforated leather seats. This has the duo two-tone leather interior, ivory and ebony. You've then got the new infotainment screen, touchscreen media system, dual zone climate control, heated seats, centre armrest. You've also got twin cup holders, the Meridian sound system, which is the extra speakers, but I do love the detailing. See this here, it's nice and soft to feel, but everything feels premium quality. You've then got lots of brushed aluminium finishing to the interior inlays. The door bins are nice and big. The R-Dynamic entry kick plate and fully fitted mats. So as a passenger, if you've got a little single bag, there's a bag hooked just there, so your bag can go there, not laid about on the floor. Lovely flush button here, which gives you the top dash, and the handle here for the bottom dash. Inside here is a little cubby hole. So you pull that and you can hide your wallet in there or your glasses. This is so easy to use, like any Apple product or Android these days, just like an iPad, navigation, Bluetooth, media, DB digital radio, it's all at your fingertips. The dual zone climate control, front and rear heated windscreen. Every car has rear heated windscreen, but not every car has front heated windscreen, because only JLR and Ford product have that, I believe. So if you look at the windscreen here, there's about 400 wire mesh lines built into the windscreen, so when it's icy or frosty or whatever it might be, you press that button, 60 seconds later, boom, gone, finished. You're not sat around for 5 minutes on a morning freezing cold waiting for it to clear. The new style for the gear shifter, you've got USC all over the vehicle, and if you slide this compartment forward, you have a more of a cubby hole just down here. This armrest can be retracted up or down, but it's just a nice comfortable position. You have got the things like, this is an important feature. You've got air suspension as well, off-road, normal setting or access height. To get in and out, it makes it very simple. And this is dead good. Now let me show you the back as well, because really, this 7-seater isn't designed just for a person who has no kids, no family, no use for back seats. So if I just get in the back and show you the middle row seats now. First of all, there's absolutely tons of space. I'm talking shoulder room, headroom, leg room, all of it. There's lots of USBs and 12-volt sockets around the car like I've mentioned. There's nets in the back. Now, this is very relatable to me personally because I have 5 kids. And my kids, they're only small, so they've always got iPads, they've got Android, always got something in the hand. I don't always allow it, I think they shouldn't, but they do. It keeps them quiet. So having charging ports is brilliant. If you're a business user for laptops, whatever it might be, it's designed so it can be fully usable. You've then got this centre section that comes down with more cup holders, so if there is only 2 passengers in the back, they can use that. You've got ISOFIX attachments, but so it doesn't look ugly, Land Rover have designed this car quite well, so they've got a lovely leather covering just above where the ISOFIX would clip into. Because some of the cars that have the plastic casing, you go to lift it and it just breaks off into your hand and you think, flipping hell, it's a brand new car, I don't like that idea. This is nice, it's tucked away but it's hidden very well with a leather cover. Every passenger also gets 3-point seat belts. You've also got a fully fitted mat in the back which is tied down so it doesn't roll about. It is mega, absolutely brilliant. Round the back you've got the new style LED lighting system. That's changed from top to below. The indicator, same again, animated sweeping indicators. You've then got the black panel on the back, colour-coded section at the bottom, and this one also has the automatic tailgate. Now remember, it is 7 seats, and I'll show you in a few seconds how to get into the back, but I want to show you this first, so it's realistic. I don't want to oversell it or undersell it. So on this car, electronically this comes down. You can utilise that, it takes the weight, no problem. I use it all the time with the kids to put their shoes on when I'm watching football. I use this as an umbrella and watch it on sports day, whatever it might be. This is the partial shelf. These seats are full-size seats. They're no longer just kids or emergency seats. So you can travel with 7 adults, no problem. And they have more than enough legroom and headroom. But the reason I wanted to show you this first is, once the 3rd row seating is up, truth being told, that is all you get. So it's not a massive boot, but you have to be realistic. You can't expect to travel with 7 full-size passengers and expect to put 6 suitcases in there. If that's what you need or want, then go on my website. There's a lovely V-Class there that does that. On this one, you can have literally, I mean, the seats go down so easy. So you can have 6 passengers and then put your suitcases there, your trolleys or pushchair or golf gear, whatever it's going to be doing. But all the seats do go down flat anyway. But let me show you how to get into the back, because it's quite easy and you don't need to fight with it. There's a button just up here. So when you press this, that seat moves forward electronically. This seat goes down just like that as that moves forward. And then you just slide it like that. This is your area to get in and out. It's more than enough. I'd like to think 8 out of 10 times it will be a young child or a teenager getting in the back and they love just jumping in and out, but it's that easy. You press that one button and then you literally slide it back, press that button again, that comes back into its original position and that seat goes down. It's that easy. As for the driver, because remember, if you're driving this car, you want to be comfortable, you want all the gadget and gizmos at your fingertips. So you've got memory seats for the driver's side, you've got adaptive cruise control, lane assist, this is a beautiful leather wrap steering wheel, voice control, limiter, lane assist, you've got all the things that you need. Put it into reverse, your 360 camera system will click onto there. Again, in high definition, you can see every part of the car, there's no excuses, just scuff or scratch it, and it's that easy. Press the P button down here to park it, and that's your new gear shifter. You're sat really nice and high up. It's the new engine, the D300 diesel. Like I said, if you're going to compare me to this car to another one that you've seen, and it hasn't got the spec, the wheels, the side steps, the roof, and it's the D250, but it's £2,500 cheaper, take it from me, someone who sells cars every single day, this is a far better deal. Most importantly, it's physical, it's available. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. If you're wanting a very good car, then this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.